Hello everyone, today I am here at Universal's Terra Luna Hotel and I wanted to take you guys along and to show you guys a little tour of the hotel. So let's go. The parking lot is right over there and then they have a bus stop right here that'll pick you up and take you to all the different theme parks. Let's go check out the inside. Look at this. So right here they have your vacation planning center. And then you also have luggage over there. There is your check-in. And then over here, you have the cool one is the Universal Studios store. This is my favorite because they have some Universal merch that you can also find in the parks, but you can get it here before you go. They have all sorts of stuff from Harry Potter. They've got these like different wands as well. Those are really cool. All sorts of different Harry Potter merch. I love it. Different like Epic Universe merch. They have like this whole section that's like dedicated to that. They have the Super Nintendo World as well. They have Dark Universe in this little section over here. And then one of my favorites is the How to Train a Dragon Isle of Berk. I love these. These are so cute, especially like this cute little like backpack. It's so cute. And this one is like my favorite. I actually just bought this yesterday. It lights up. It's so cute. I love it. But yeah, so they have a ton of different merch in here. So if you wanted to get some stuff before you head to the park does have more than this, but then you can like grab it before you go. Now, off to the next part of the hotel. They have the Omega Cafe and Market over here that's going to have some breakfast. I think they also have like some lunch and dinner offerings. Just make sure to check the times of it because those can like vary. But yeah, they've got like lots of seating and all sorts of different foods here. Moving on. They also have the Luna Bar here, so you can come and get some drinks. Now for the fun part is the pool. Here is the pool. It is like a big circle, and then it's got like a hot tub. The pool hours right now are 9 a.m. to 10 p.m. But here it is. There are so many chairs. It is a little early. It's like 10 o'clock right now, and there is a decent amount of people here, but it's not too bad. But I mean, look at how big that is. Then the hot tub is like right over there. They've got some towels. They have tons of chairs here, so I don't feel like there's a shortage. Even if it's like really busy, I feel like you could probably still find a chair. And they even have some like tables over there. And then over here, they have the Moonrise Grill. So you can come and get some food and drinks here while you're hanging out at the pool. And they have the Moonrise Bar. So this is the Moonrise Bar where you can get all of the drinks right next to the pool. And then I guess if you walk over here, it's the Moonrise Grill. It's not open right now, like this morning, but it should open later today, I believe. So this is where you're gonna get the food. And then over here is the bar. Oh, and they even have like those little like games. I don't know if you can see them like over there where you can play like the, what's it called? Connect 4. I don't know if you can tell, but the building is so pretty. I love the colors that they have going on. Like you've got like some like yellowy greens with some blue and pink, and like I just love the tiles on this hotel. It's so pretty. Oh, you do need a key card to get into this door. It's open right now, but just make sure that you bring it just in case. All right, over here is your elevators. I believe these are like the only elevators to get up and down. So you'll have all 6 of these. And then to our right, they have a game room and a fitness center. So here is the game room. Right now it says they're open from 8 a.m. to 11 p.m. here it is. Oh wow, this is really cute. This looks like a lot of fun. Look at all of those like little like prizes. So here it is. It's not like too big, but it's got a decent amount of games in here. So that's fun. They do have a rec center here as well. I'm guessing you can like rent this out. There it is. And then they do have a fitness center right there. It's open from 5 a.m. to 10 p.m., but it's currently actually out of order. So that is the fitness center. So it is over there, it's just out of order right now. Before I end this tour, I want to show you guys the room. I love the hallways here. I mean, look at how cute. I mean, look at the carpet. Oh my gosh, I love it. And I love like these little like bubbles for like all the room numbers. I mean, that is just so cute. Here is 5086. So to start off here in the room, right over here, you do have a connecting door. If you don't have this room, you don't have to worry about it. But if you don't have it, you can like place some like shoes and stuff right here. And then right here, you have this full length mirror, which I love. Great for checking out your outfit before you go to the parks and stuff. And then here is the closet. You got a decent amount of space and storage here, and you also have an iron and an ironing board. You got some hangers, you also got a safe here, and then that is like extra like bedding stuff if you wanted it too. Your little like thermostat, it's gonna help control the room. And then over here is the bathroom. So first off, you have your sink here, and you've got this mirror. I love all of the lights that they have in here. It's really helpful, especially when you're like doing your makeup or your hair and stuff like that. They have a blow dryer there. And then here is the shower, and the toilet is right over there. They do have shampoo and conditioner here, and then they just have a bar of soap for the body wash. Here it is. I love the colors that they went with. I love like this like blue. It's very like terrestrial, very like space vibes. I love it. I love that this is just so cute. They also have this curtain right here that you can open or shut. I think it may let some light in, or maybe give you some privacy, or make it like if you're getting ready in the morning and you have like kids and don't want to like have all the lights, but they do have that. So then over here you have a little like coffee machine. You got some like little like condiments and an ice bucket. And then in here is the mini fridge. It's small, but I mean, you probably don't really need to store a whole ton, but it gives you some room. And then over here you have this whole like thing filled with drawers, and they're actually pretty like big. They're not too small. So you have 4 of these. They also have a phone right there. Oh, and they have tons of plugs, and this is cool because you can like actually shut it, and then you can just pop it up. And then they have this little couch here, and then you have 2 queen beds. So you can fit 4 in this room, so you can fit 2 here and 2 there. I love all the lights that they've got going on. This one is so cute. And again, they have more plugs. It's perfect. I love that. I love the lighting. I mean, look at that. There's so much lighting in here compared to like regular like hotels. They've got like ones there. They have that whole lighting. They have that, another light there, and they even have these really cute lights right here. So they've got lots of light. Now, oh, and there's your TV, by the way. That's what's playing in the background. The best part is this. I love the view from here. I'm actually like not like disappointed by it. I was unsure what to expect when I was over here because it's not the Helios, so you can't really like see the park. I was like, we won't really be able to, but you actually can. Not perfectly, but you see right over there, I might be able to zoom in for you guys. Right over there is Epic Universe. The Helios Hotel is right there. But yeah, and then you do have some curtains that you can shut. They have like your regular like blackout curtains, and then they have like your shaded ones. But yeah, that is the tour of 5086. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and hopefully found it a bit helpful, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!